In 2025, marine biologists exploring the dark ocean trenches off the coast of Vietnam stumbled upon something that made them question everything they thought they knew about evolution and survival in Earth's most hostile environments. Imagine descending into the pitch-black abyss, your submersible lights flickering across a jagged seafloor, and then, suddenly, a shape looms into view. It looks like armor, it moves like a predator, and its face, almost identical to Darth Vader's mask. But this is a real animal alive today that has evaded humans for centuries. Why has no one seen it before? What is it doing in the unexplored depths of the South China Sea? And how is it even alive down there? Those questions and the astonishing answers are coming, but later in this video, we'll reveal 3 deep-sea creatures that are even stranger. First though, we need to understand what this armored abyss dweller really is, and why it's shaking up the world of marine science. The first creature in question is officially known as Bathynomus raksasa, a species of giant isopod, and a distant cousin to the humble woodlouse. But make no mistake, this isopod is no backyard bug. At nearly 14 inches long with a glossy segmented exoskeleton and piercing eyes that seem to follow you, this thing looks like a prop straight out of Star Wars. And it's not alone. What researchers found was a variant of this species that had never been documented before, one with even more pronounced armor plating and a head crest that gives it its uncanny Darth Vader resemblance. This strange new version was discovered by Vietnamese and Japanese scientists, conducting what was supposed to be a routine biodiversity survey in the deep waters of the South China Sea. But instead of the usual shrimp and cephalopods, their camera captured something entirely unexpected. A crawling, ancient-looking arthropod that had scientists staring at the footage in stunned silence. But this discovery is more than skin deep. While its appearance is dramatic, its biology is even more fascinating. This creature survives over 2,000 meters below the surface in a world of crushing pressure, perpetual darkness, and near-freezing temperatures. It thrives in an environment where most life wouldn't last a second. How? Its thick exoskeleton acts as natural armor against both predators and environmental extremes. Its metabolism is incredibly slow, allowing it to go weeks or even months without eating, and its internal structure is built for endurance, not speed. DNA analysis revealed that this variant diverged significantly from other known isopods, suggesting it may have split off from its evolutionary cousins millions of years ago, possibly before the first humans ever walked the Earth. That opens a chilling question. What else has survived down there, evolving in total isolation for eons? Are we only just beginning to scratch the surface of an ecosystem older and stranger than any we've imagined? But here's where it gets even stranger. This discovery isn't alone. In recent years, researchers have been uncovering more bizarre creatures in the abyss, each one weirder than the last. Here is the Dumbo octopus. With ear-like fins that flap as it swims, it looks more like a cartoon character than a real animal. Or the ghost shark, technically a chimera, that has translucent skin, vacant eyes, and a venomous spine. Then there's the barrel-eye fish, whose head is entirely transparent, revealing its rotating green eyes inside. Each of these creatures, like the Darth Vader isopod, challenges our assumptions about evolution. Why do so many deep-sea species develop translucent bodies, glowing organs, or armored shells? Is it a response to pressure, darkness, or something else entirely? And if these beings exist in the places we've barely explored, what kinds of complex ecosystems have we yet to uncover? More than 80% of our oceans remain unexplored, and this strange isopod is a vivid reminder that nature is still holding its biggest secrets close. If a creature like Bathynomus raksasa can exist undetected for so long, what else is down there waiting for us? Could we soon find predatory species with glowing skin? Or colonies of life forms that don't rely on sunlight or oxygen, evolving entirely outside our current understanding of biology? In our next episode, we'll take you even deeper, to a creature some scientists believe could be the oldest living animal on the planet. A living fossil that might hold secrets not just of survival but of how life itself began in the oceans billions of years ago. You won't want to miss it, so hit subscribe, tap the notification bell, and come with us as we dive headfirst into the deep, where fact is stranger than fiction, and the mysteries are just beginning.